The brain under siege in the 21st century. The brain is the ultimate control center for human autonomy, decision-making, and resistance to tyranny. Throughout history, totalitarian regimes have sought to manipulate cognitive functions to exert control over populations. The Soviet Union, for instance, infamously used psychiatric abuse to silence political dissidents, labeling them as mentally ill to justify imprisonment and forced treatment. Similarly, Nazi Germany employed sophisticated propaganda techniques to shape public perception and suppress independent thought. These historical examples underscore the brain's role as the primary battleground for human freedom and sovereignty. When the brain is compromised, so too is the individual's capacity for critical thinking and resistance. The brain's neuroplasticity, the ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, makes it both vulnerable to external attacks and capable of remarkable resilience. This dual nature positions the brain as the central arena in the struggle for human freedom. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to adapt to new experiences, learn from them, and recover from injuries. However, this same adaptability can be exploited by external forces seeking to manipulate cognitive functions. For example, modern propaganda techniques and psychological operations can reshape beliefs and behaviors, effectively rewiring the brain to serve the interests of those in power. Understanding this duality is crucial for grasping the brain's role as the primary battleground for human sovereignty. The concept of neurosovereignty, the idea that individuals must maintain control over their own cognitive processes, is fundamental to the broader theme of resistance against tyrannical forces. Neurosovereignty emphasizes the importance of protecting the brain from external manipulation, ensuring that individuals retain the ability to think critically and make autonomous decisions. This concept is particularly relevant in the context of the New World Order's agenda, which seeks to undermine individual liberty through various forms of cognitive warfare. By understanding and asserting neurosovereignty, individuals can better resist attempts to control their thoughts and actions. The brain comprises several key regions, each playing a vital role in cognitive functions. The prefrontal cortex, for instance, is responsible for critical thinking, decision-making, and moderating social behavior. The amygdala plays a crucial role in emotional regulation, while the hippocampus is essential for memory formation and retrieval. These regions are prime targets in modern cognitive warfare, as compromising their functions can severely impair an individual's ability to think critically, regulate emotions, and recall information accurately. Protecting these brain regions is paramount in the struggle for cognitive liberty. The 21st century has witnessed a shift from physical to cognitive warfare, with advanced technologies enabling unprecedented access to the human brain. The U.S. military's interest in neuroweapons, such as DARPA's brain-computer interface projects, exemplifies this shift. These technologies aim to enhance cognitive abilities, but also pose significant risks if misused. For instance, brain-computer interfaces could potentially be exploited to manipulate thoughts and behaviors, turning individuals into unwitting agents of external control. This shift underscores the urgent need to protect the brain as the primary battleground for human freedom. The philosophical implications of brain sovereignty are profound. If the brain is compromised, can true freedom exist? This question lies at the heart of the struggle against the New World Order's agenda of control. The brain's integrity is essential for maintaining individual liberty and resisting tyrannical forces. When cognitive functions are manipulated, the very essence of human autonomy is at risk. Understanding this philosophical dimension is crucial for appreciating the stakes in the battle for neurosovereignty. This section sets the stage for exploring specific threats to the brain, providing a foundation for subsequent discussions on how to protect and enhance cognitive functions. The brain is under siege from various fronts, including chemical and biological weapons, electromagnetic pollution, and psychological operations. Chemtrails, for example, have been implicated in the widespread poisoning of humanity, with potential impacts on cognitive functions. Similarly, vaccines and other pharmaceutical interventions can have detrimental effects on brain health. Understanding these threats is the first step in developing strategies to counteract them and protect the brain as the primary battleground for human freedom. Protecting the brain requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing nutrition, detoxification, and mental training. Optimal brain defense involves not only shielding the brain from external attacks, but also enhancing its resilience and performance. This includes consuming brain-boosting nutrients, engaging in regular detoxification practices, and participating in brain fitness training. By adopting a holistic approach to brain health, individuals can better resist cognitive manipulation and maintain their autonomy. The Optimal Brain Defense Academy program is a comprehensive program designed to equip individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to protect their cognitive functions. This program covers various aspects of brain health, including nutrition, detoxification, and mental training. By participating in the Optimal Brain Defense Academy program, individuals can take proactive steps to safeguard their neurosovereignty and resist the New World Order's agenda of control. For those interested in learning more about the Optimal Brain Defense Academy program and how to protect their cognitive functions, send an email to fayaz@brainscience. COZ or message to 0784162673 on WhatsApp or Telegram.